I am Dr. Prakash Shah, 75 years of age. I have 45 years of practice as a psychiatrist, psychologist, hypnotherapist. I have worked as a psychiatrist and counselor in USA, in Canada, and in Germany. I am very happy to teach you on any topic of the psychiatry you like. I have presented many papers and my research also at national and international conference also. Today, as requested, I am very happy to speak on depression. Depression nowadays is a very common subject in say about 60 to 65% of the people suffer from depression of some severity. About 15 to 20% as a depression of a severe level, and in 3 to 5% it may be to the level of insanity. In 2% of the cases they have suicidal idea. Some may have tried the suicide also. Some may be successful. Some may not have success. But having thought of this suicide is very common in the depression of patient. Depression basically is an abnormality in the brain hormone. You know that the brain produces very different and complex type of the hormone. Some may have depression in a very small way of talking, or some may not have depression even if they get the setback of a very high level. This depends on the personal background of the person. Depression starts very easily. It starts with the sadness. Some may recover from the sadness in a no time, while in some of the people, sadness is continued for more and more time. Their thinking goes on in the same level again and again. And if they have got the isolation, not meeting the good people, friends, and their relatives, then depression get fixed up. After the depression, the life of the people comes as a stack. They do not progress in the life. That may be at any level, maybe very young student, maybe at the level of the puberty from the age of 12 to 17, maybe at the adult level, or maybe in the early marriages. These are the very common stages and common things where the depression gets rooted. in very young people, very young boys and girls. They see the family quarrels, they see the family problems. Now, in this years, both parents are working, they do not get good exposure to the parents, and so their mind gets affected and their level of understanding power gets depressed. Same thing happens in the puberty level. Puberty level from 11 years to the 17 years, it's a very highly developing stage where all the body parts, brain, and understanding is developing. It requires a very high attention, and by the social problem, TV, and the social media, they causes much more on this type of the young people from 11 to 17 years of age. And with the facility they go on, with the freeness what they get exposure also to the sex very easily, and breakup in the sex causes mental depression, and that continues for the depression for the lifetime. At this age, boys and girls suffer much more because these are the stages which requires good education for them for the lifetime, and most of their time is wasted in non-essential things. They do not get the support also from the parents. At this year, the requirement of personal requirement also increases much more. Nowadays, they require two-wheelers, mobiles, good clothes, going out with the friends, hotel, and so many other things requires the money expenses which their parents cannot afford. And then in this way, they have got a big gap of understanding between the parents and their friends, and that introduces the depression in the mind of the student. Now, when they higher up adolescent age, this is the age where they have to get earning by themselves. They may go to have the services, and they come under the influence of their boss or the surrounding, and that also does not allow themselves to develop. This is also the marriage age attraction, and that causes the depression. Now, advancing the age after 25 to 35, the adjustment with the couple and their establishment of the life that may cause the depression. These are the certain areas where depression is very common. Now I tell you what is the depression. Depression, you know that as I told you before, is the disturbance level in the brain hormone. Brain is producing everything, big amount and multiple things daily, ins and outs. And in the daytime, it is the factory of producing the hormone. While at night time, during the sleep, the hormones gets destroyed and regenerated also. But if this cycle is not there, then the depression, the hormone which gets to be depressed or destroyed regularly, that cycle does not go on and the depression goes on increasing. For some, a very small level may have small quarrel, may have big depression. In some, even the big quarrels, they come out of the depression. The treatment of depression is very, very easy. A good books, good company, good father, mother, and counselor is most important. Counseling is the main thing in the depression. Nowadays, in the medical store, many drugs of the depressions are available, but some of the drugs causes more damage than the improving. A very simple drugs is required to cure the depression, and very simple things like counseling, and in some major cases we require psychotherapy, that is hypnotherapy. In hypnotherapy, we will be able to change the condition of the subconscious mind and we can put a good idea in the subconscious things. It's very, very easy. Only one counseling session of hypnotherapy is required. I usually give my counseling on the recording on the mobile, and then my patient can hear that mobile again and again, and they come out of the depression very, very easily. Depression is not at all difficult to treat, but if it is not known, then depression can get to any severity, and that may endanger the life. I am ready to give you even more detail about the depression. I can talk or I can give the lecture for about 1 hour in this, and I can guide you completely about the depression. I am very happy that you have given me the chance to speak to you and come in your introduction. I am Dr. Prakash Shah. My phone number is 98791 58791. I speak again. My phone number is 98791 58791. Any of you can make contact with me. I wish you all the best. Thank you.